Tutoring at the Academic Success Center. EMCC is committed to supporting your academic success. The Academic Success Center, or Tutoring, is located on the first floor of Estrella Hall South and hosts a wide variety of free programs to enhance student success.
In order to make the most of your tutoring sessions and the services offered, we ask that students come prepared with assignments, questions, and a positive attitude. Our peer tutors are here to help you with what you're learning in your classes.
In addition to in-person tutoring in Estrella Hall, the Academic Success Center offers all EMCC students virtual tutoring. The Academic Success Center offers Cranium Cafe to conduct virtual tutoring sessions in all 4 of our sub-centers, which include Math Success, Science Success, Writing Success, and Reading, Language, and Occupational Success.
During these virtual sessions, our tutors interact with students via video meeting, instant chat, and screen sharing, and an interactive whiteboard space. Use this link to connect with the tutor for a virtual session. You will need to log in with your MEID and password.